Good morning. It is Monday, April 17th, actually, when I make this video. So I'm just back from spring break. I hope you had a good break. I was out of the office literally. So I didn't really hear from anybody, and I hope that you enjoyed your time. Let's look back at what you were supposed to do just the past couple of weeks. That spring break week just kind of interfered the flow that we had going on. So you started on chapter 5, which is linear and exponential equations. I had notes and videos for that. You were to do section 5.2 and 5.4 in Hawks. You were to respond to two people on the discussion board about, the course reflection, how things had gone for you. It's actually ironic that we did that because effective today, if you're watching this video, if you figure this out, but Richmond Community College has a locked Moodle until you complete your course evaluations. So we had already reflected on kind of how the course had been going for you. And so I hope that made the survey easier to complete for the course evaluation. You had a linear and exponential lab due tonight at midnight. Monday night, April 17th at midnight, and a Chapter 5 review. So basically, we completed Chapter 5 over the spring break period. I went ahead and opened up the quiz early for y'all. A lot of you have taken the quiz already for Chapter 5, but if you have not, that's one of the things you have to do this week. So let's move on to this week. This week is April 19th through Monday, April 24th. April 18th. April 18th. Tuesday, April 18th is when this week starts. You're going to take the Chapter 5 quiz. It is, sorry, that's my reminder to go to class. The quiz is proctored. If you have not set up a proctor appointment yet with either ProctorU, the Academic Success Center, or possibly myself, then you're a little bit behind the 8 ball because the quiz is due this week, and it is proctored. You can use one note card, so you can use 1 3x5 note card of anything you want to write on it for that Chapter 5 quiz. Now, after you take the quiz, it would be nice if we could just close everything up and take the week off, but unfortunately, we have to move on. We're going to move on to section 8.3 in Hawks, which is mean, median, mode, and range. I have videos and notes for those topics, and you have one section in Hawks to complete, 8.3. That is on the final exam. I should have done that when we did Chapter 8 at the beginning earlier in the course, but this is just kind of where it fell. So 8.3 in Hawks, it covers mean, median, mode, and range. We don't have a lab this week. We don't have a discussion board this week. The main thing you need to finish this week is that proctored quiz on Chapter 5 and then one section in Hawks. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're recovering from what was possibly a long break for you, and we'll get back. We have 4 more weeks, and so we're in the home stretch. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you next week.